Today's AI foundation is machine learning, or ML. And my name is Mike Murphy. I am on a journey to learn AI for content creation and for running my small business. And if you are also on a similar path, where I really hope you join me. In this 25-part series, I define 25 must-know AI terms. AI Foundations number 2. What is machine learning, or ML? Well, machine learning is a subset of AI where systems learn from data to improve performance without being explicitly programmed. An example of machine learning is when Netflix recommends movies based on your watch history, learning your preferences from data. And 3 AI tools that use machine learning. Number 1, H2O.ai is an open source machine learning platform that helps data scientists and businesses build AI models quickly using tools like AutoML and deep learning. Amazon SageMaker. It's a fully managed service by AWS that allows developers and data scientists to build, train, and deploy machine learning models at scale. And DataRobot. It's an enterprise AI platform that automates the process of building, deploying, and managing machine learning models, making it accessible to both technical and non-technical users. And next up in the AI Foundation series, number 3, what is deep learning? Hint, deep learning is like machine learning's overachieving sibling. So you don't miss any future videos, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You will also find a playlist on my channel called AI Foundations, where I will put all 25 of these AI Foundation videos. If you would like weekly AI tips and tools to your inbox, be sure to sign up to my AI newsletter called AI Unplugged, which you can get to by going to aiunplugged.io, and I will leave a link in the description. That is going to do it for this AI Foundation number 2. I thank you for joining me on this journey of learning AI together. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.